NutriAdmin, and in this example tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit tables in a report so that you get the right spacing in between columns. So let me demonstrate with an example. When we insert a table in a report, let's say a table with 7 columns, we're going to make one column for each day of the week. And notice that as I type, the columns get resized. So the reason that's happening is because the software is trying to determine the optimal spacing so that the content in the table fits properly. So this is usually a good idea, but it doesn't always result in what you want. So for instance, now that I've typed every day of the week, the table looks all right. Wednesday is slightly wider than Friday, for example, because the word Wednesday is longer than the word Friday. But now what happens when we start to type inside this table? So notice how if I type any random characters, the other cells get compressed to accommodate my space. So now these other words here don't read properly. They're broken into 2 different lines, right? If I type a bit in here, I can, as you see, when I type in other cells, the columns expand. So this makes the word Wednesday look well, but the other ones are still they're still broken into columns, right? So to fix this, what we have to do is to click on the first cell on the heading. Just click or really just click on the table anywhere and go to table properties. And in the advanced section, if this is blank, you can type here directly, and this is style property. If it is not blank, if it contains some styles, what you have to do is to go to the end of the text and write the following. You have to write white dash space colon nowrap altogether. So this is a CSS code that will make the table. There we go. Now the table is wrapping the words. So what that means is that it will not break a new line automatically. You have to create a new line manually. So yeah, that's why now after doing that, the word Monday is fine, but the text underneath is very long and it's overflowing to the right of the page. So to fix that, we can just click anywhere in the table, click anywhere in this text and press the word enter to break new lines. So you see this is just some random content that I typed, random characters, but essentially you will be adding the new lines manually if we do this. And what this allows us to do, you see, now all the text fits properly. So if we were to type in here and we write something very long and again we create a problem, again we can press enter and just adjust this by pressing the enter key so that it looks appropriate. And that's how you can fix the problem. So yeah, another consideration is, for instance, if you have a hyperlink. So if you have a link to a website like https nutriadmin.com/ like if this becomes a long string, you may have a problem, right? Again, so you may have to break it into 2, and you may have to because this is a link. Now the link is not going to work, so you may have to tell your customer to copy paste the whole thing into their web browser, or it may be a good idea to put a link outside of the table if it makes sense at all, because links that are broken into multiple lines may be confusing. There's unfortunately not much space in most tables to include a link, but that's the gist of it, how to fix it. Just select the table, click on table properties and advance, and just put this property white space no wrap. And if you know any CSS and HTML, you can add whatever CSS styles you want in here. So we have an interface where you can click buttons to change colors and fonts, etc. But this page just relies on CSS, which is a programming code that is used to style the looks of websites. So if you have any knowledge of CSS, you can actually change whatever you want in here, change styles, any way that any website can be edited. So you can bear that in mind. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.